Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Measure all dry ingredients precisely. 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1/4 tsp salt. Prepare a flax egg by mixing 1 tablespoon ground flax with 3 tablespoon water and let it gel for 5 minutes. This replaces 1 egg. In a separate bowl, mix 1 cup milk or plant milk, 2 tablespoon neutral oil, and 1 tsp vanilla. Whisk the wet ingredients until smooth, then fold the flax egg into the wet mix so the texture stays slightly viscous before combining with dry ingredients. Gently fold wet ingredients into the dry bowl using a spatula until just combined. Small lumps are acceptable because overmixing develops gluten and toughens pancakes. Cover the batter and rest it for 5 to 10 minutes. Resting hydrates the flour, lets the flax egg thicken, and activates the baking powder for a fluffier result. Meanwhile, preheat a 10-inch nonstick skillet or griddle on medium heat. Use a 1/4 cup measure to portion each pancake for uniform size and even cooking across the surface. Lightly oil the skillet with about 1 tsp neutral oil per pancake and pour a 1/4 cup of batter. Cook each pancake for 2 to 3 minutes per side on medium heat. Flip when bubbles appear across the surface and the edges look set. This timing yields about 8 pancakes from the recipe. To keep pancakes warm, place them on a baking sheet in a 200 degrees F oven while you finish cooking. Refrigerate leftovers up to 3 days or freeze for up to 1 month, reheating at 350 degrees F for about 10 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.